As it continues to revolutionize affordable urban mobility, the 2026 BYD Dolphin is a compact electric hatchback that continues to redefine the concept. Because of its combination of futuristic style and practical performance, the Dolphin, which is a part of BYD's Ocean series, is a well-liked option among city drivers and people who are just starting out with electric vehicles. In order to give it a more young and aerodynamic appearance, its exterior has been updated to include a closed grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sportier rear profile. The Dolphin takes advantage of the best of both worlds, offering both agility and comfort thanks to its compact size and roomy cabin. The inside of the Dolphin is a technologically advanced design that incorporates a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system. This interior was designed to startle the driver. The interior design is neat and ergonomic, and it features materials that are comfortable to the touch as well as ambient lighting that improves the whole driving experience. Because of its longer wheelbase, which measures to 1,700 millimeters, the rear passengers of the Dolphin have access to ample legroom, which makes it more adaptable than the majority of hatchbacks in its category. The performance of the three different powertrain options varies, giving customers the opportunity to select the one that best suits their driving goals. In the base model, the engine produces 94 horsepower, but in the middle and top models, the power output is 174 horsepower and 210 horsepower, respectively. After a full charge, the Dolphin is capable of delivering a range of up to 520 kilometers, 323 miles when equipped. With the Blade battery technology developed by BYD, it takes only 7.9 seconds for the top variation to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, making it both efficient and responsive for people who drive it on a daily basis. Notable features of the 2026 Dolphin include its emphasis on both safety and technology. A PM 2.5 air filtering system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation are some of the features that come standard on this automotive vehicle. Over-the-air software updates and regenerative braking are two of the characteristics that contribute to its intelligent driving skills. Additionally, the NVIDIA Drive Orin chip is responsible for the enhancement of road awareness through assisted driving features. As of September 2025, the BYD Dolphin is offered in a variety of trim levels at extremely competitive prices, including the following. Base model of the Dolphin costs $15,200 USD. The Dolphin Mid has a price tag of $17,600 USD. The Dolphin Premium variant costs only $19,950 USD. Among the electric hatchbacks currently available on the market, the 2026 BYD Dolphin stands out as one of the most well-rounded options due to its beautiful design, large cabin, and remarkable operating range. Drivers who are looking for a car that is built for the future, is environmentally friendly, and is technologically advanced will